We're at St. Clair and Butters, guys. I'm heading to my mom's area. And she is at St. Clair and Kiel, but this is St. Clair and Butters. Coming off from night shift. Yeah. Meron din ng meron ding high-rise building dito. I mean high-rise. Very high building. Condominium. Yan, guys. Guys, tara ulit. So, tong bus na to, mayroong it tells you the stops. Hindi mo siya mapapara. You can say, para mama, may designated na stops. Yeah. Bilis niya. Bilis niyang tumakbo, man. Oh, yan. Tapos yung bus dito, may schedule sila. Mayroon time na pupunta yung bus. So, if you miss a bus, you have to wait for another one for that schedule. Na next schedule, ganun. Sunday ngayon, pero marami pa rin marami pa rin people that takes the bus. So, mag-work ang mga tao. Look, guys, beautiful flowers. Very nice. I'm at my mom's area na. There's a lot of beautiful flowers here too. Here's another one. Same type of plant but different color. Nice. So look, guys, there's lots of flowers here that are nice. Nice flowers, guys. My mom's area. There you go. There's another one right there. Another one that's the same. Same type of plant, pero it's white ones. Yan. Malapit na ako kay mami. Malapit na ako kay nanay. Yan na. Yan, guys. Malago-lago yung mga dito. Plants. Yan. Si ate, kay kuya yan. That's my brother's house right there. And that's my sister's house. Meron silang din. Hindi pa bumubuka. Hi, ate!